This 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3014, sale pending as a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Sterling Decor, Arctic glazed maple cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, water heater, leveling jacks, smoke detector, external shower, TV, slideout, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, awning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar Bay Star 3014, sale pending is built on a Ford F53 22,000 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.